Module 10, ChatGPT and Responsible Computer Use. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence tool that allows you to have a conversation with a computer, similar to chatting with a knowledgeable person. It was created by a company called OpenAI, and its name combines the word chat because it communicates through conversation with GPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, a type of computer model trained to understand and respond to language. ChatGPT can help you with a wide range of topics, including science, history, grammar, coding, and creative writing. It can adjust its answers based on your age or the complexity of your question, making it a useful companion for learning. To use ChatGPT, go to chat.openaa.com and sign up using your Gmail for a quick login. Once you're in, you'll see a simple screen with a text box where you can type your question. After you send your message, ChatGPT will reply in a clear conversational format. You can ask follow-up questions, explore topics further, or even upload files for summarizing or extracting information. One of the best things about ChatGPT is that it adapts to your style and level. Whether you're in class 6 or class 12, you can ask questions in your own words, and ChatGPT will try to respond in a way that fits your age and understanding. For example, if you're studying biology, you might type explain photosynthesis, and ChatGPT will respond with a clear explanation. In a few seconds, you'll see a response written clearly and usually with examples. If you want to go deeper, you can ask what role sunlight plays or how chlorophyll works. You can keep asking follow-up questions as many times as you wish. Every conversation is saved on the side of the screen, so you can come back to it later. You can even copy any response by clicking the small copy button under each reply. It can also help with brainstorming ideas, checking grammar, and giving feedback on your writing. The more specific you are with your prompt, the better the answer from the model is. But while ChatGPT is a powerful learning tool, it's important to use it responsibly. It does not truly understand the information it provides or verify facts in real time, so it should never be your only source. Always cross-check important facts with trusted books or websites, especially for assignments, projects, or decisions that matter. This also means that if something sounds strange, incomplete, or too good to be true, it's worth verifying it somewhere else before using or sharing the information. You should also protect your privacy by never sharing personal details like your name, phone number, address, or school name in the chat. Just like in any online space, it's best to be cautious. Another thing to understand is that while ChatGPT can generate text including essays, poems, summaries, and more, the ideas and words it creates are not your own. If you copy what it gives you and submit it as your schoolwork, that's not learning. It's just using a shortcut. Think of ChatGPT as a helpful assistant, not a replacement for your brain. You can ask it to help explain something, suggest ideas, or correct your writing, but the thinking, organizing, and final work should always come from you. This is part of digital ethics, using tools in a way that supports your learning without misusing them to avoid the work. Digital ethics also includes how we treat others and behave online. You should never copy someone else's artwork, writing, or code without permission. That's called plagiarism, and it's dishonest. Always give credit when using another person's work or ideas. If you're using images or music in a project, make sure they're free to use or that you mention the original creator. Being respectful online also means communicating kindly. Never use chats, forums, or comments to insult, tease, or target others. That kind of behavior is cyberbullying, and it can cause real harm. Whether you're speaking to a person or typing in a group, keep your tone polite and supportive. The same goes for being truthful. Don't create fake accounts, pretend to be someone else, or spread false information. Secure internet use is just as important. Always use strong passwords and avoid clicking on suspicious links. There are websites and messages that look real but are designed to trick you. These might try to steal your password, get you to download something harmful, or collect your personal data. This is called phishing. Look for HTTPS in website addresses to ensure they are safe, and never share personal information on unfamiliar sites. Balance is also key to healthy computer use. Spending too much time on screens, whether it's gaming, watching videos, or using social media, can affect your health and focus. Make time for offline activities, get enough sleep, and take regular breaks. Avoid downloading unapproved apps or files, as some may contain harmful software that can damage your device or steal your information. Another common issue online is misinformation. Content that looks real but is false or misleading. Always check the source of what you read or share. Make sure it's reliable, recent, and supported by other trusted sources. Being a smart and responsible internet user means thinking critically and not believing or spreading everything you see. ChatGPT and tools like it are meant to support your learning, not replace it. When used thoughtfully, they can help you understand difficult topics, improve your writing, and spark creativity. But they work best when combined with your own thinking, effort, and curiosity. Learning how to use technology with responsibility, honesty, and care is one of the most important skills you can develop. Whether you're researching a topic, preparing a presentation, or simply exploring a new idea, remember that your choices matter. Use technology to grow, but make sure your actions reflect respect for yourself, for others, and for the truth.